Hey guys, I'm Andrea.
Hi, I'm Emmett Finney.
My name's Teddy.
Hi, I'm Griff.
I'm Dominic.
Hi, I'm Ava.
I'm Michelle.
Hi, I'm Harry.
I'm Anshita.
Hi, I'm Sammy.
I'm Abby.
I'm Maddie.
I'm Sabina.
Hi, I'm Ellie.
I'm Sophia. Hey, I'm Sadie.
Hey guys, it's Kaitlyn and I planted cosmos and cucumbers.
Hey guys, it's Tina and I planted marigolds and lettuce.
If you haven't viewed the past videos, make sure to check out the rest of the channel to learn more. In week 4 and 5, we talked about energy transfer in ecosystems and how plants reproduce. In this episode, we'll be reviewing how plants and animals obtain energy through the food they consume, as well as some cool recipes that you can make out of the plants you grew. Many of you may have already heard about photosynthesis in episode 3, how plants feed the sun. To recap what we've learned, photosynthesis is the process in which plants and organisms capture energy from the sun and turn it into chemical energy. During this process, plants use the sunlight to convert carbon dioxide and water into oxygen and glucose. Photosynthesis is very important to the ecosystem as all living things need oxygen to survive.
In episode 4, we discussed how energy moves through the ecosystem. All organisms get their energy from the sun, either by producing their own energy or consuming other organisms.
As a quick recap, 10% of the energy from each trophic level moves to the next. Since humans are omnivores, meaning they eat both plants and meat, they do not have a definite trophic level, but instead are between primary consumers, which are herbivores, and secondary consumers, which are carnivores. On average, humans get 80% of their daily calories from fruits, vegetables, and grains, while only 20% comes from meat, poultry, and fish.
This means humans are actually closer to being primary consumers than secondary consumers. However, as more and more countries are able to support high meat diets due to economic growth, humans are becoming increasingly carnivorous.
Now that we've discussed how plants gain energy through photosynthesis and how that energy gets to humans, we have 2 recipes to share which use the plants that many of you guys may have grown. For our recipes, we'll be using other commonly grown herbs such as mint and basil.
For our first recipe, we'll be making frozen mint lemonade. For this recipe, you'll need 1 3/4 cups water, 1 1/4 cups fresh mint leaves, half a cup of sugar, 3 1/2 cups of ice, and 1 cup of fresh lemon juice, which is approximately 8 lemons.
First, pick off the mint leaves from the stem and make a pile of the leaves. Roll up the pile and begin chopping the mint until you get 1 1/4 cups of mint. If you need help, make sure to ask a parent or guardian. Next, using your hands or a juicer, squeeze the lemons until you get 1 cup of lemon juice. For your third step, use a small saucepan and combine 3/4 cups of water, 1/4 of a cup of the mint leaves, and the sugar. Bring to a simmer over medium-high heat and cook until the sugar has dissolved, for about 2 minutes. Let the mixture cool completely, then strain into a blender. Add the remaining ingredients into the blender and gradually add ice. Blend it until a smooth slush forms. Pour it into a cup and enjoy.
For our second recipe, we'll be making pesto. For this recipe, you'll need 2 cups of fresh basil leaves, half a cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese, half a cup of extra virgin olive oil, 1/3 cup of pine nuts, 3 garlic cloves, a pinch of salt, and a pinch of freshly ground black pepper.
First, pick the basil leaves off the stem like we did to the mint earlier. Add the basil and pine nuts to a blender or a food processor. Then, mince your garlic and add it to the blender along with your cheese. Gradually add your olive oil to the blender and mix. Once every ingredient is incorporated, the pesto can be served on a variety of different dishes. We decided to mix our pesto with pasta noodles, but you can also use pesto on sandwiches, on pizza, or other foods.
Let's Grow Alameda wants to emphasize our support of the Black Lives Matter movement. We strive to provide a welcoming community for all, and we do not stand by racism of any kind. We encourage you to use the resources in the description down below to educate yourself and take action. Some ways you can contribute to the cause include signing petitions, donating to the movement, and peacefully protesting. Thanks for tuning into this week's video, and if you decide to make our recipes, remember to submit photos through the website linked below. Remember to like and subscribe, and check out our Instagram for any new updates. Thank you!